easy it is to assemble these structural insulated panels. So first, we put the bottom plate, and once we measure it on the bottom plate, we bolt it on the bottom. Now once it's bolted, then you can bring the panels and bring them in here. So that's one. And now we're going to connect the spline. The spline just comes in here like this. Okay, assuming the spline goes all the way here. And then the next one, which is the next panel, we actually bring it and slide it down. So now they're connected. And once we connected all of them on this side and on that side, we put the top plate. And then screw all of them. And then for the, once it's connected, that would be so solid you cannot move it anymore. And then we could put the, next is the flooring on top of this. That's it. That's the assembly of our sips. Thank you.